friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Anna. I am a teacher of Russian language, and in this video I will teach you how to cook Russian pancakes, blini. This is 1 week holiday in Russia, Maslenitsa. All this week we Russian people cook and eat pancakes. Why do we do it? And what is the history of this holiday? Why in the end of this holiday we burn the doll? And how to cook pancakes? If you're interested to know more about it, please continue with this video. So let's start. Why this video is very special? Because I will not just show you the recipe how to cook pancakes, okay? I will show you alternatives if you follow the diet, if you want to stay slim, if you don't eat gluten, okay? I will show you a recipe of this, and I will show you recipe standard pancakes, how we cook it nowadays, and old way of cooking pancakes. So very interesting video. Let's start. Okay, let's start from classic recipe. It's in Russian language muka, flour. You will need 2, for example, glasses of muka. Here you can see I took 250 grams. If you take 250 grams, you need the same with liquids. 2 glasses of milk, 500 milliliters, and 3 eggs. This is minimum, okay? Standard recipe minimum. How we can change this recipe, okay? You can see here, this is old Slavic recipe. This is different kind of flour. What is the difference? Here we are cooking with you can see овсяная мука. It's oatmeal, which we got from Hercules. Oatmeal, it looks like this, from oatmeal. Or it could be, nowadays we cook with пшеничная мука, okay? Пшеничная мука, it's wheat flour. And second, old way of cooking, it's buckwheat flour. Buckwheat flour, it's old way of cooking pancakes. You can see it's not so white like овсяная, oat flour, or wheat flour. And there I took, you can see, if you don't want to cook a lot, you can just take 1 glass of milk, 1 glass of flour, and 1 or 2 eggs. I like eggs, I took 2, so you can use 1, it's okay. 1 egg is okay. Here also you can use 2 eggs, it's up to you. I just love eggs, I add more. Wheat flour has gluten, but this one, buckwheat flour, it doesn't have gluten. If you want to eat pancakes without gluten, use this kind of flour. Here I use also second way what we can use. We cook it by kefir. It's a little bit different kind of milk, kefir, and this is with cow. This way I cook with milk. It's goat without gluten. And also how you can change it. You can take a water. For example, if you in your area don't have without gluten milk, take a water. Taste will be different with milk, of course it's more tasty. If you want classic pancakes, you will need to add 1 spoon of sugar. But as I said, I am not eating sugar right now, that's why, so I will not add. But anyway, it will be still very, very tasty. So then you need to mix eggs. Then mix it and just add 1 flour and another. So you do like this and mix. You can use, guys, mixer, okay? Or cook like this. Then add 1 glass of milk or kefir, and then just need to mix it. So guys, first liquid is ready. So you can see it must be like this. So this is standard pancakes. So how to fry pancakes? Как жарить blini? You need a pan. The best if you take cast iron pan. Это чугунная сковорода. This is the best. Second also okay. Second okay. It's aluminium standard pan. But it's also for pancakes. You can see what kind of pan it is. And let's start. You don't need oil just one time. Don't need too much, guys. Very important. No need too much. Just add a little bit. You can see one little spoon I'm adding. So I will use two pans and show you what's the difference if we use a different kind of pan. So if you have something like this, it will be very good. And what is important, your pan, you can see, must be very, 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 very hot, too much hot. So you're waiting, I don't know, 1 minute maximum. So and let's check, and then you take like this. Oh, very fast. Okay, very, very fast. Let's see. Oh, wow! You can see it looks different. So it looks like this. Wow, good. Maybe 2 pans is good. I like 2. And my next liquids is waiting, which I will cook later. Which I will cook with buckwheat flour. But be ready, guys. Let's check. So it's ready. You can see it's ready. Then you leave like this, like a sun, or you can do like this, half. So let's do like this. And then here we use butter. Or you can don't use butter. It's up to you. So what kind of ingredients we have with eating pancakes? So for us, for Russian people, pancakes first we eat with some salty ingredients. For us first it's like a bread. That's why we eat it with caviar, red caviar, of course. So it could be red caviar, it could be salmon fish, and this is the first how we eat it. Like I take this pancake, okay. So I can eat like this, or if I want to make it more tasty, I can eat a little bit. It's like sour cream. It's a ricotta, and finish. So it's ready, and do like this. So it's ready. In the second part of this video, we will go to my university, and we will see reaction of my students. Let me show you example with banana and also with honey. So how can you eat it with honey and with only with honey you can eat, or you can eat with any jam, any confiture, or you can add so sweet, any berries. So you just add berries here and eat. So guys, very important when you start to cook, first you need to eat. Because how I did it, I was very hungry. Now I won't eat a lot. And guys, what is, let's speak a little bit about history. What is the history, guys? This is this holiday, Maslenitsa. What does it mean, Maslenitsa? Maslenitsa, это sun, да? The symbol of Maslenitsa is, we are saying, goodbye winter and hello spring. So the sense of Maslenitsa, мы провожаем зиму. We say goodbye to winter, and мы встречаем, we meet, мы встречаем весну. And the idea of this holiday is from the old Slavic culture till Christianity of Russia. Guys, do you know in 988 we Russian people, we started to be Orthodox. Christianization in Russia, the ritual is all people naked or with one short go to the river and do like this. We call it крещение, baptism. Это крещение, baptism of Rus, крещение Руси. That's why in January all Russian people jump in a cold water outside. It's really, I need to wait a little bit. You can see, guys, it's not ready, just a few, very hot, I feel hot. A little bit to wait, maybe 30 seconds. But till this time, we Russian people, we call this religion was язычество. Язычество – это paganism. It means that the God is everywhere, okay? And the God was, for example, sun. Sun, it's a God. You know, in Russia we very love sun. Sun, it's a God, symbol of spring. And the Maslenitsa is a ritual which people did till Christianity. During 1 week, people cook pancakes with different ingredients, as I showed you. And people have fun, dancing, 1 week, do everything and eat a lot. This is a tradition. And in the end of the Maslenitsa, last day, on Sunday, what people do? People burn the чучело, сжигают чучело. What does it mean? Burn the чучело? Чучело, it's some doll. And it's also symbol, this doll symbol of bad things. You know, it's like spiritual ritual, means that we protect ourselves from bad people, from bad spiritual souls and so on. And people believe if the fire, maybe something we have in India, I guess, maybe something, I don't know, in Holi. Yes, in Holi, also I think Indian. Guys, please, who is from India? Write me, do you have something in your country? I know in India you have dosa. Yes, but it's different, not like this. And what starts after 1 week? It starts Великий post, great fasting. In some religion we have this. Now it's very popular interval fasting, means when people, for example, eat 8 hours and 16 hours they don't eat. Muslim people, they have Ramadan, means that they do fasting during the day when it's sun, they don't eat. In the evening and night they eat. But this post, great post, if you're in Russia you will see special menu. I'm finished. Let's go to my university. My students will try pancakes and let's see their reaction. Guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog and let's see second part. And see you on, and write me, do you like how I cook Russian food? Tell me what kind of food you want me to cook and I will cook it for you. So guys, our pancakes is ready. Блины готовы. Not happy birthday, drama student. Burak from Turkey, из Турции. Alan from France. Bonjour. Nina from China. Our cameraman also from China.
Yeah, I'm also from China. Hello.
Christina from Germany, из Германии. Rosa from Iran. Salam. Mohammed from Indonesia. И Honju from China.
I'm from China, yeah.
И я is from Russia. We have sour cream. You can add any sugar. Русская икра, Russian caviar. Попробуйте, попробуйте. Икрой. Try. Попробуйте. Да, потом вы скажете, I like, мне нравится или нет, я хочу.
Ты думаешь, если я буду у меня или нет?
Вкусно?
Нет? Не любите икра?
Я не люблю морепродукты.
Нет?
Очень соленый.
Очень соленый, да?
Слишком я нет.
Мухаммад, хотите?
Нет? Вкусно, да?
Смотрите, guys, so Russian caviar, it's specific. If you like it, you like. If you don't like... Мы русские, мы любим очень соленые блины. Да, мы их едим с икрой, с красной рыбой, сальмон, red fish. Очень любим.
Соленый хорошо.
Нина, вам нравится?
Нормально, неплохо.
Неплохо, да? Вы взяли соленый с икрой, салти, да? Можно тоже банан, хотите пробовать? Так, пожалуйста, Алан, try Russian pancake. Is it? Я думаю, это вкуснее, more tasty than French crepe. Я надеюсь.
Да.
Вкусно, да?
Сладкий.
Бурак, вы съели?
Да.
Сладкие, да? С медом вкусно, да, Махан?
Нет.
Это очень вкусно. Банан очень сладкий.
Еще.
Знаете, как по-русски мы делаем? Смотрите, вот это когда, вот это, подождите, сейчас, Нина, вот, смотрите, это клин, мы так делаем. Это Russian style, да. Когда у вас одна ложка, это тут мед, а это клин, мы делаем так. So guys, we finish and we will start our class. Welcome to Russia. Try Russian pancake. Now you know how to cook it. And write me in comments any questions. Did you try to cook and do you have something in your country, these kind of dishes? So thank you for listening. Bye for now. Пока-пока. Пока-пока. До свидания. Пока-пока.
До свидания.
Он будет sleeping.
Don't-